It's time once again for Phil and Nan's annual Indian Rocks Beach Boat Parade Party. Consider this your video invitation to join us for all the festivities.
Merry Christmas from Kayak Club.
Uncle Phil's outdoor kitchen is ready to go. And he's preparing his famous pulled pork. And don't forget the delicious cedar plank salmon that's always a special treat. And be sure to visit the dessert table to help get your holidays in high gear. The party starts at 7 p.m. sharp on December 15th. And be sure to bring something for the table. This is a very special time of year for us, as we thank our many clients and friends for their patronage throughout the year. The boats are beautiful. The evening is special. Won't you please join us? See you Saturday, December 15th at 7 p.m. And have yourself a Merry Christmas.